Welcome to this review of the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag, black, 40-inch. When it comes to travel gear, a durable and spacious duffel bag is a must-have. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag promises to deliver on both fronts, offering a large, versatile solution for all your travel needs. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag and see how it stacks up against other rolling duffel bags on the market. So grab a seat and let's dive in. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is made from durable, high-quality materials and features a sturdy construction that promises to last for years to come. The black color and classic design make the bag a stylish addition to your travel gear, while the smooth rolling wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to maneuver through busy airports and train stations. The design and build quality of the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag make it a top contender in the world of rolling duffel bags. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag offers a spacious 40-inch interior, making it the perfect choice for long trips or extended stays. The bag features multiple compartments for organizing your clothes, shoes, and travel essentials, so you can easily find what you need when you need it. The bag also has a convenient exterior pocket for storing items that you need to access quickly. With its ample storage space and multiple compartments, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is a top choice for travelers. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is built to last, and it is designed to withstand the rigors of travel. The durable materials and sturdy construction ensure that the bag will hold up over time, and the smooth rolling wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to maneuver through busy airports and train stations. The bag is also equipped with a bottom platform, which helps to protect the contents of the bag from scratches and scuffs. With its durability and longevity, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is a top choice for travelers. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is designed with convenience and portability in mind. The smooth rolling wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to maneuver through busy airports and train stations, while the compact design and multiple compartments make it easy to pack and store in your travel gear. The bag is also lightweight, making it easy to carry when you need to. With its convenience and portability, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is a top choice for travelers. When it comes to value for money, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is a great option. With its spacious capacity, durable construction, and convenient features, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag offers excellent value for money. The bag is also reasonably priced compared to other rolling duffel bags on the market, making it a top choice for travelers. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag, black, 40-inch is a top choice for travelers. With its spacious capacity, durable construction, and convenient features, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag offers a complete solution for all your travel needs. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is a must-have for all your travel needs. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.